Hi friends, I want to show you how to set up your ePortfolio. This is a requirement from SLCC for all general education students. It doesn't matter if you are on campus or if you are a concurrent enrollment student like you are. It's not a difficult process, but there are a couple of steps you need to go through in order to set it up correctly. So the first thing you need to do is to log on to your My SLCC page. I'm already logged in. And you will notice that one of the cards you have is labeled ePortfolio. To start your ePortfolio, you want to click on the link for ePortfolio. And then to the left, you'll see that there is a screen called Digication. This is where you want to click in order to access the platform. This is what the platform we're using for ePortfolios. So the link is just right there, which is nice and convenient. When you log in, it is the same login that you use for My SLCC. It's helpful that you only have to remember one login, which is great. And when you log in, you are going to see this screen. It gives you several templates that you can choose from. You just want to choose the general education template. You are not an associate of applied science. You're not in the faculty. You just want the general education template. When that template generates, you'll notice that it already is titled with my name. So yours will be your first and last name. I'm just going to add ePortfolio to the end because I like that. You don't have to, but I think it looks better. At the bottom, you will then click the blue Create button. And when you click it, it's going to take a minute to generate. So while I'm waiting for my ePortfolio to generate, just a quick explanation of why we're doing ePortfolios. When you do a Google search of yourself, what do you find on the internet? Are they good things? Are they bad things? Have you put things on the internet that maybe you shouldn't have? You want to have a digital presence on the internet that you are in control of. You want to be able to have future employers, for example, be able to find you online and have good things about you there. Your abilities, things you've accomplished. That's what ePortfolios do. It gives you a place to show what you're learning, your best work. And when you do that, then you can send a future employer, a future college, and say, hey, look at the amazing things I've already done. I'm not just the obnoxious person who put things online when I was in middle school. All right, and once it finishes generating, here is your ePortfolio. You'll notice that there are 4 pages that you will be completing. You will also notice in the upper right corner, it says Share, and there is a little red mark next to the person icon. This is very important. Digication shares your progress as you are working on your ePortfolio, which is great. It saves it. You don't have to worry about it. But in order to let other people see it, you have to share it. So anytime you see the red dot, you need to make the red dot go away. I'm going to click Share. And it says, hey, this is a new ePortfolio. Let's look at some privacy settings. The default is to make it private within the college. That means only teachers have access to it. For your purposes, that's the best option right now. If you wanted to make it public later, you could, but for now, we're just going to leave it private. So I'll go ahead and click Save. Do I want to publish my changes? Yes, I do. And now the little red dot is gone. Something else that's nice about the Share button is if I click on it, it's going to give me the option to see my published version. So what will people actually see when they go to my ePortfolio? So if I click Publish Version, only one of my pages is there because I've only published one of them. So if I come back to Edit, I can go to my Goals and Outcomes page. The red dot is back. I want to publish the page. Now it's gone. For coursework, I'm going to publish my English 1010 page. Same thing, publish this page. Excellent. Outside of class. Oh, there's the red dot again. Now the red dot is gone. And now when I view my published version, all 4 pages are there. They're obviously not complete, but they are present. Every time you make a change, you need to publish those changes. How you change your pages, you'll learn about later. This is just to get you set up. Now, there's one other thing you need to do, and that's to connect your ePortfolio to your S number. Easy to do. I'm going to come to my welcome page and copy this web address. I'm going to go back to my Slick homepage, and now I'm going to click on the button that says Submit ePortfolio. And I have 2 options. I can submit my general education ePortfolio, or I can submit a program-specific ePortfolio. Program-specific means you've declared your major. You haven't done that. You're just using your general education portfolio. So when I click Submit, it's going to give me a place to paste that address, and then I click Save. And once I've done that, then my ePortfolio is attached to my S number. So that's all you have to do, my friends, in order to set up your ePortfolio and attach it to your S number.